looking to have kids. तो मतलब
So they are not hurrying and
it can work out यार इस साल तक
वो
तो
तो फिर
मतलब
मम्मी हो गई उसकी. Beneficial in a business sense seems wrong to me because I'm like तुम बातें क्या करते हो?
God इसको तो he has to live so much more life.
What do you guys talk about?
नहीं,
I
but
think
like-
that's a great thing. You should have like friends in all age group. और she's like, you know what? मैं 2 साल पहले first time plane में गई. Welcome to another episode of It's Not Me, It's You. We have an interesting question today, and I'm sure we both will agree with it.
Let's see.
Okay. I'm 23 and my partner is 34. Most of the time, we don't even notice the age gap, but occasionally it shows up. One of us wants to slow down and settle into routines, while the other wants to say yes to every spontaneous plan. We also feel different kinds of pressure about marriage, career, and where we should be heading next. The relationship is working, but sometimes it feels like we're operating on slightly different timelines. You guys have talked to so many couples. What's your take on age gap relationships? What actually matters, and what do people worry about that doesn't really matter at all?
एक तो how are 33-year-old men or women finding 23-year-old men or women like
23 and
Like-
34. It's like when I was 23, मैं किसी को नहीं जानती थी जो 30s में था क्योंकि 30 was too old. तुम 30 हो? तुम सो जाते हो 8 बजे. I have no clue. And I don't know how 34-year-olds are seeing 23-year-olds as potential partners because you are so naive, young. The only time it makes sense if it's a 23-year-old, like very highly like advanced
Intelligent.
in career and stuff, like dating like an actress. I don't know. I've heard that, they worked for 10 years of their life. तो वो थोड़े
remember like
आगे.
child actors.
Yeah, but it still feels wrong. It just feels wrong to me because I'm like, तुम बातें क्या करते हो? वो सब तो ठीक है. But like,
Yeah,
what do you guys talk about? For me, it's a big like the 10-11 year age gap is a red flag to me. Because unless तुम्हारी जबरदस्ती arranged marriage नहीं हो रही, तुम क्यों कर रही हो ये? Why you dating someone जिसका prefrontal cortex अभी तक बना नहीं है? You know, जो मतलब शायद अभी तक अंधेरे से डरते होंगे. I don't know.
But I just saying, it can work out. Yeah. Like in the end, that doesn't matter. What matters is how well you gel. And sometimes some 23-year-olds are a little more advanced for their age. And it's always generally those that I've seen, they are the ones who end up marrying older.
Spoken like a two guy.
I mean, a girl too. It could be a
No, like I have seen there is this online like couple, right?
Huh.
Valeria, there is
Oh,
this
yeah.
influencer.
Yeah.
So she got married to her husband
Yeah.
when she was 20 and he was like late 30s. Mein.
Acha.
Now she is around 35
Yeah.
and he's over 50.
Wow.
But you know what that did to them? Like they seem to get along very well. They have kids and stuff. The girl wanted to get settled very early in life
Ha.
and settled with someone who has something more than her.
Ha. Like
So-
all the shit together in a way.
Yeah, like he already had a house and stuff. She never had to worry about that. She could settle into her career very well because she didn't have to work for the means of her life, So sometimes, I don't know, people may have a very different agenda. And the guy, like, I mean,
Do you
I'm sure
think-
he's happy too because it's like they are getting along. They seem like they get along very well.
Yeah.
And they both benefit from it, like, in other ways also.
Correct. So, but if you see their relationship, right? Like, agenda tha ya nahi, wo nahi pata, but they were both so smart. He kind of figured that she's very much into modeling and stuff, and she's good into influencing. So he set her business up that way.
Yeah, he set
And-
it up for her.
And
all of
she
that.
was so good because she also had somebody who has already run businesses, has idea, has experience, has
Yeah,
knowledge.
so I'm saying
So-
it's very beneficial in a business sense. I mean, I'm not sure. मतलब ठीक है, that is one maybe good example. Okay, let's take it as a good example.
Okay.
But there are lots of really bad examples too, like where whoever is younger is taken advantage of because they're kind of stupid. Like, you are naive and it's okay. You're supposed to be naive. Like, older people are not supposed to take advantage of you
Yeah,
in
but
an ideal situation.
it is wrong to also say that the older person is taking advantage. Maybe that older person is gelling with somebody younger than them.
I completely, I'm fine with having younger, older friends.
हाँ नहीं,
I
but
think
like
that's a great thing. You should have like friends in all age groups. You get to learn a lot. But when you're dating this person,
yeah,
at some point when you're dating, you think of having a life with this person, right?
I agree, but like sometimes people are like, "Ki, I'm so over this bullshit of, you know."
But tell me, what will you talk with a 23-year-old girl? Tell me. मेरे को 2-3 topics of conversation बता. क्या बात करेगा तू?
No,
बता ना.
do you like to travel?
और she's like, you know what? मैं 2 साल पहले first time plane में गई थी.
Yeah, I think.
नहीं, I mean, yeah, like jokes aside,
That was so cruel but nice.
because that was my story. मैं 2 साल पहले plane में गई थी. मैंने बस अपना चुपका है.
Yeah, I know, but like, oh yeah, the world has showed us a move. But here's the thing, I can make great conversations with 23-year-olds too. ऐसा नहीं है. Like, it depends on where they are at their life, right? Like, if they are, like, let's say if they're coming from, if there's something more to add in terms of value, like, you know, why won't you? And there are so many smart younger people too. So I'm not really opposed to dating somebody younger.
See,
like,
I'm actually fine with a 10-year age gap if it's like 30-40. Over 30 ना मुझे लगता है कि तुम ठीक है इतने ज़्यादा like manageable है. But I feel under 30 ना थोड़ा सा tricky है because there's too much growth and changes that happen. Like, I would not touch a 20-year anyone in their 20s with a 10-foot pole.
yeah,
Because it's like the way that you change and the way you grow is so exponential. You are not the same person at 23 and 33.
yeah, so
But like
I
at
agree.
30 and 36, I could still say I'm kind of a similar person, you know? I can say that. So unless the older person is maybe mature enough to understand that this younger person will grow and change a lot and not have expectations in that sense. Like, help the other person to become the best version.
Yeah,
You know, then it's beneficial. You can't be an older person and not be devoid of responsibility because now you have a responsibility.
Okay,
if you're with a younger person.
Yeah, but you know, so sometimes I like, so let's leave Valeria ka case aside. Like, there are times when dono ka na brainwaves match. Maybe the person older is like thoda sa immature otherwise. Development stage uska thoda sa slow chala hai. The person who was younger, like, you know, uska he or she is a little more, I would say, ahead of their peers in terms of development, right? And it always happens. There have been times I've been in a group where people of my age have seemed like, oh my god, these guys have lived a life, and then there are people I've met who are like, god, he has to live so much more life to, you know, gain some wisdom, knowledge, some experience.
So you're saying sometimes older people have not grown enough and they match with the younger person's mind.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Well, but then I think the younger person will outgrow the older person then eventually. Because ये भी बहुत होता है ना. Usually the younger one outgrows the older one. So these last only till a certain time also. Like बहुत ही high level पे breakups होते हैं with a huge age gap. Because that person is suddenly 27 and they're like, what the fuck is happening? It is not making sense to me anymore.
That is a danger of, I think, of this kind of a relationship.
Yeah.
And I also kind of agree with you here that yes, this can, like, you know, because a younger person does seem to change, and as you said about prefrontal cortex, that's actually a very true thing. 25-26
साल fully brain develop ही नहीं हुआ है, तो you making long term commitments is like kind of funny because you will only not stick to it, you know.
Yeah, in their case 34-23, I do.
I mean, see, I believe in love, okay. It's not like I'm against it. I want people to live happily, do what they want, you know. sometimes things work out. Very extreme, unique kind of relationships also work out.
Yeah.
I've heard a story of like two people meeting for the first time in a cafe while traveling, and 1 week later they got married.
Yeah.
And they're together for 20 years.
Yeah.
Like, ये सब कहानियाँ तो मैं सुनने मिलती है, and you're like, wow, this also happens. So
Yeah.
I'm sure like good things happen. But most likely, if you're in a huge age gap relationship, I feel like be yourself, grow, but don't put all your eggs in a basket. Like, be together at least like till you're like 27, 28 before making a lifelong decision. 5-6 saal when you're beyond like 25.
Yeah.
I feel when you're like finally figuring out who you are, uske baad if you still want that person, it's great. I would say not making a lifelong commitment like marriage.
Yeah.
At this point,
Yeah.
just date that person for 5 more years and see if you are all guys on the same boat.
Yeah, and also if you, let's say, flip the genders here, like, it's a 34-year-old woman and a 23-year-old guy. I तो feel like guys develop a little later in life. 30 साल तक
वो तो फिर मम्मी हो गई उसकी.
बड़ी bad यार, मम्मी is like.
मतलब मेरे पास 24 साल का कोई आएगा तो मैं I will just.
God, Rashmi.
In the sense that already like you have to explain so much.
No, but usme there are other things also that matter. Like, if the woman, let's say, wants kids, like no 23-year-old guy wants kids, like generally, like I would say 99% of the, you know. And I mean, for a woman in her 30s, generally they are looking to have kids. So, that is a genuine issue.
I think it's just incompatible. Like the age makes you incompatible because you do want different things at 25, 24. You don't want to be like in one place. तुम्हें कुछ करना है life में और करना भी चाहिए.
Exactly. And I'm seeing your way and I'm seeing the issue that you're putting out. Timing matters, right? Like someday for two people is so different.
Yeah.
Like someday for me be 1 year down the line. Someday for a 23-year-old is like 10 years down the line.
Yeah. They have a lot of time, so they're not hurrying, and
correct.
You might be in an urgency.
Yeah.
And that makes you incompatible. You might have all other like good qualities and great chemistry and great love and understanding, but you could still be incompatible because you just want different things because you're at different phases of your life.
Yeah.
And it may work, because it has worked. Like, बहुत लंबे एज गैप वाले चले हैं. लाइक हमारे मम्मियों के जमाने में जब 10-10 साल के गैप होते थे, बहुत सारे रिलेशनशिप्स वेंट वेरी वेल एंड दे स्टिल डू. लाइक जो अंकल है जो बड़े हैं, ऑलवेज टेकन केयर ऑफ आंटी. लाइक दिस इज व्हाट पीपल से कि वो छोटी थी थोड़ी तो वो ख्याल रखते थे उनका. ये कहानियां मैंने सुनी और मैंने ये भी सुनी है कि एज गैप की वजह से इट वाज कम्प्लीटली फक्ड. So think for yourself, even if you're in your 20s, don't be naive in the sense like educate yourself, being the know-how. Don't make big commitments.
Yeah.
Know that you will change a lot, Be aware of it. It's just science.
Yeah, and also think about like, do you want kids? If you don't want them now, do you want to have them in the future? Where do you want to live? What do you want to do? What's your professional life will look like? Do you want to travel? Like, I think most of the older people have like dusted that part because they traveled when they were younger.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think so. Like, had dusted and all. But I feel like if 10 years older, maybe that person has a defined career and already an idea of where they want to stay, what they want to do, right? So, do you match those things? Are you comfortable with the same thing already laid out for you? So, I think it's just about being very smart. I mean, in these situations, you need to be smart. Also, think for yourself and figure out I think I've said it before, like make a smart decision.
Yeah, I think so. To be honest, this is my refined position. Odds are stacked up against you, but it can be done. Like it's a very individual case basis pay you have to see.
That's true. I mean, especially please don't get married.
Yeah.
वेट भी
Yeah.
25, 26, 27 के बाद ही शादी के बारे में सोचना भी चाहिए, आई थिंक, बिकॉज बहुत चेंजेस होते हैं.
Yeah.
Like I am such a different person than I was at 25. Like I will not recognize myself if I meet myself. You know, I'm just sometimes wonder कि मैं क्या करती थी, क्या सोचती थी. तो बहुत changes आते हैं. Just know it's very natural for that to happen. So don't like make situations harder for you. You know, for the future you.
Yeah.
But like enjoy your time if you get along with a person, right?
Correct.
I wouldn't say that, but
Yeah.
also keep your friends in the loop. I think sometimes friends also know, like if someone's a red flag. Like, I mean, I don't know. Like depends.
That's a discussion for another day. I'm totally against friends coming into your relationship.